What's up folks, Dennis here from Make Easy, and I'm here in the parking lot of a local mall. And way over there you can see my Tesla Model Y, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can summon it. So stay tuned. This is Make Easy Tesla Smart Summon. To enable Tesla Smart Summons, go into your settings and go to autopilot. Scroll down to Actually Smart Summon, also known as Tesla Summons, and toggle on. You can also customize the summons feature. I'm gonna have it do an applause sound at the end. You can also change the bumper clearance to a distance that's comfortable to you. In order to summons the car, you have to continually press the button on the Tesla app. All right, let's give it a go. And there you have it. That's the Make Easy way of using Tesla's Smart Summons. If you're looking to save money on the purchase of a Tesla, use my referral code down below. And if you're looking for more Tesla tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe, like, or comment on this video. Thanks for watching, and until our next one, stay well, folks.